Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their success, including referral sources, clients, and the media. In this video, I'm going to give you the 3 questions that each piece of thought leadership content that you create should answer. Now, a quick refresher, thought leadership content is one of the key ways that business-to-business organizations, including corporate law firms, can market themselves to their current and future clients and referral sources. The whole idea of thought leadership marketing is that by conveying your leadership on thought, your understanding of trends and understanding of core concepts in a particular area, you're demonstrating to prospects and referral sources that you know what you're talking about and that they should come to you when you have or when they have a similar issue down the road. It is, bar none, for lawyers, one of the top ways to market, again, especially B2B lawyers, corporate lawyers, not so much direct to consumer, but generally in the business-to-business realm. It is a fantastic way, if not the premier way, to market an attorney's skill set and demonstrate that they know what they're talking about with respect to their legal practice. All right, so the 3 questions that every piece of thought leadership content that you create should answer, not write. Should answer, you're going to write, it's going to answer. Those 3 questions are what, so what, now what. The answers don't have to be explicitly saying, now what. They don't have to say, so what. You don't have to have your headings that say what, so what, now what. None of that. But the idea is that your content has to answer 3 main questions that are going to be in the reader's mind. So the first question, what? Tell them what this is. What is this development that you're writing about? What is this case doing? What is the statute? What is the proposed regulation? What is the speech that some government official gave? Whatever it is, explain clearly and in plain English what actually happened. So what? A key question. Explain what this actually means. Great, the court ruled a certain way in this case, but what does that mean for the people in the industry that might be affected by the decision or the statute or the speech? What exactly does this mean? Anybody could simply write a few words on what the case was about or what the case decided, but it goes one step further to actually say, so what? Why does this matter? Why should the reader even care? The final question, now what, is really the cherry on top of the sundae. When you're demonstrating now what, when you're talking now what, you are demonstrating an expertise and knowledge in the reader's industry, in their world, because you're explaining to them, here's what they need to do now or could do now given this development. And you can kind of see that as you build these layers, the what, the so what, and the now what, that you're moving kind of up the scale in terms of how you're demonstrating your knowledge and your expertise. Anybody can say what. A good number of people can answer so what in terms of what the development means, but the now what, where to go from here, is a key way to demonstrate that you understand your reader's industry, their profession, whatever they have going on, the problems they face in their daily lives at work, and you're talking to them because you're giving them an idea of where to go from here. What, so what, now what? 3 questions. Every piece of thought leadership content that you create should answer for your audience.